to bring safe drinking water from home. It used to run out by afternoon and it was really troublesome for us. Due to this installation of sky hydrant, we have continuous supply of safe drinking water, and moreover we don't have to carry safe drinking water from home, and this reduces the burden of carrying heavy bags.
Water is must for survival of all living organisms. We, the students and the teachers and the community as a whole is very fortunate enough to have a safe drinking water.
Hello everybody, I Karmadema on behalf of Gedo Higher Secondary School principal, staff and students would like to thank Disaster Aid Australia Rotary Club and other individuals from Australia for donating sky hydrant filters in our school. Especially we family of Gedo Higher Secondary School are blessed to drink safe water all the time.
Before the facility was available in our school, all the teachers and students needed to carry their own water bottles. But now this facility has made it easier for us because we just need to bring our water bottles and drink water from here.
The happiness you see on the faces of my students came after the installation of sky hydrant filtration system in our school in 2018. Before that, the situation was different. We used to provide boiled water as alternative to filter water for drinking to our students. But students used to complain so much like the water was tasteless. There were so many instances where our students hidingly drank tap water, raw water from the taps directly and ran into vomiting and diarrhea. There were so many problems. Your gift, sky hydrant filtration system, proved magic. All those problems are gone permanently. Your gift is unique, amazing, priceless. I humbly offer you my gratitude. Thank you so much. Remain blessed. Enjoy long life. You will always remain in our hearts. Thank you.
Kadinche.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!